Welcome to Inspired Truths channel, where God speaks to us through His Word.
God doesn't break you, He restores you. Isaiah chapter 42, verse 3. A bruised reed he will not break, and smoking flax he will not quench. He will bring forth justice for truth. Have you ever felt like a bruised reed, bent and barely holding on? Or like a flickering flame that's about to go out? This verse reminds us that God doesn't crush what is weak, He heals. The world may discard the broken, but God gently restores, rekindles, and revives. He brings justice with compassion and truth with mercy. If you're feeling fragile today, know this: in God's hands there is hope, healing, and strength to rise again. Our prayer for today: Lord, thank you for being gentle with my heart. When I feel weak or broken, help me trust in your healing touch. Restore me and help me shine again for your glory. Amen.